All right, today we out here, man, my boy, my mogul mentee behind me, Lionel Brown. You see what his shirt says? Go get them shirts, man. It's summer. Go get them shirts. I need a couple too, man. So yeah, we out here at this property right now. Lamborghini in the hood with his Jeep back there. And this is his property that he bought. First property he bought with the mogul mentorship. Beautiful home. Tenant just moved out. And you know he got to be landlord today. You got to go clean out. So this is what it looks like. This is not what it looks like after. This is after he cleaned it out.
I've been cleaning for the last week.
Yeah, last week. So ceiling fan, everything intact. Floors need to be redone. And see a damage in the ceiling right here. Doors. He literally Lionel cleaned out everything. All right. But as you can see, this is a home that right now, if he decided to put it back on the market to sell it just like the way it is, he would make some money off it. So he now we're trying to decide whether we're gonna fix it up and then sell it to a regular homeowner. This is a bathroom that we did. This wasn't even here. We installed this, and we're gonna set this back up, make it look a lot better. Cabinets look good. But talk to them, Lionel. Tell me about the place.
I've been working on it for a week. It was kind of a mess when I got in here, but we think we can get it back ready. Had some major damages that we'll have to address before putting it back on the market if we decide to do that. But I just need the expertise from this brother here to tell me whether we're doing that or whether we're gonna hold on to it for a little while longer or what.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm here for. And folks, this is a kitchen that we did, and we did a great job in the kitchen. We just got some work to do with the floors, get everything back together. We did a kitchen held up really good. Loved it, absolutely amazing. And see the countertop that I use, and I taught him the stuff, what to use, what to buy, the towels, the cabinets, everything. And then back here, see the tiles is damaged because the floor shift. So now we got to put a bathroom here, yeah, to make it a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So we got some work to do. See that water heater that constantly runs water.
Yeah.
All right, so like I said, this is my buddy's, my mogul mentee's property, and like I said, if you want to learn this business, people, one thing I can tell you, you got to talk to the best people in the game to get it done the right way, or you stand to be losing all day long. All right, this is a backyard, and not decent backyard, and then we can either tear this shit down. This depends on what we're gonna do. But like I said, people, my guy, nice backyard, right? So great house. AC's new, water heater new. We just got to go to and do some stuff and get the windows back up and get some stuff done. So what we thinking? We gonna sell it or we gonna fix it back up?
Oh man, I want to keep it, but I need some money free to do some other things.
Okay.
So
Get back in the game. And by the way, y'all know it's Lionel the Rehabber. That's his name. You got to get back. Y'all, everybody, please tell Lionel to get back on the horse. Yeah. Right now, it's the summer coming up. We got to get him back in the game so we can take some trips.
Exactly.
All right? That's what we're doing right now. So, but this property right now, if we do keep it, it's going to be for rent.
I was just talking about the Japanese plums, right?
Hey, listen, man.
I didn't realize I had some.
Yeah, you got some. You got some. We're going to keep it for rent or we're going to sell it. So, as an investor special, but like I said, not a lot of work. We got to check some stuff out. So I'm going to get some guys to come take a look, get some stuff going on. But this is Lionel's property, his first property he did with us. And this property has made you money and made you money and will make you money and continue to make you money. That's why he's considering still keeping it, because this is something that will keep making them money for a long time. And his mentor, which is me, we have property up the street. All right, we own. I got property around the street. He got property down the street. So this is our hood. You understand? And as we all tell people, man, we make the hood look good, and we don't shine from the hood. We the gentrifiers in our own hood. So we own our hood. So we can rep the hood, right? We can rep the hood, right? We can rep the hood, right? We own the hood and rep the hood.
The west side, even though I'm born and raised on the east side.
You repping everything. That's it. So y'all keep following for this update. This is boy JB and my Lionel the Remodel. Listen, man, just keep watching, man, and keep being motivated. Keep being inspired by a lot of things that people do and that we do. All right. Greatness is in you. You just gotta pick up yourself and get to the greatness. All right. Peace. I'm out.